What's the meaning of appearance? Appearance. Appearance.
Appearance. Appearance. Appearance refers to the way in which someone or something looks or seems. It can describe physical characteristics, such as height, weight, and skin color, as well as clothing, grooming, and overall style. Appearance can also refer to the way something appears or manifests, such as the appearance of a new product or a change in weather conditions. Ultimately, appearance is about how something presents itself visually or perceptually to others, and can have a significant impact on how individuals are perceived and judged by others.